Lately, Venus has been showing up in my morning sky, reminding me that beauty is everywhere. What a nice way to wake up. A beautiful, loving star, reminding me to channel her beautiful, loving energy. She began showing up in the early fall, before the season officially started. There she was, shining brightly, shimmering in the dark morning sky, waiting to greet me like an old friend as soon as I walked outside. Welcome, fall. You are so beautiful. You are so full of spirit. You are full of mystery. Reminding me to revisit the past that still longs for the attention of my loving heart. During the fall, I expect to be visited by a ghost. The season begs for it. We collectively ask for their visit through our ritualistic holidays, like Halloween, Day of the Dead, All Saints' Day. We put out little relics dedicated to the dead to remind them that they still live within our hearts, and we invite them in. We greet them like an old friend we haven't seen in a long time. We catch up, we laugh, we smile a lot, and we cry a little over how much we miss knowing each other in this life. When it's time to let go, we close our eyes, we feel a warm hug, and say thank you for being here. I am so glad you came. When I feel spirit near, I sit still somewhere in nature. I just sit and wait and see what comes to play, what comes to amuse me, what comes to teach me, what has something to say. Do check out the spider. Do check out the spider. I love sitting and observing nature. Look at how beautiful it is. I love the way that the pattern of the duck's feathers match the current of the water. I love the harmonious flow of this family swimming along. I believe 4 of these chicks are still around. Sometimes I wonder if they miss the ones who are gone. I dream of doors. Some I can open. Some I have a key for. Some are already open. Some won't budge. I leave them alone. I'll dream of them again later. Sometimes they'll be open. Sometimes I'll have the key. Sometimes they're still locked. Sometimes the door that was open is now locked. Someday they'll all be open. Through these doorways are keys to my past, keys to my heart, mind, and soul. Through these dream doors, I am visited by ghosts from the past with messages for me. Some of what I hear and see there is beautiful and inspires me. Some of what I hear and see there frightens me and dares me to come back sometime for a closer look. A closer look into my shadow, what lies beneath the surface, what needs to be heard, seen, even challenged, so that I can transform, so that I can heal. Sometimes the season changing into fall feels a bit like falling backward to me. We've all experienced death. We're not alone in that. I know I've experienced lots of it. Grandparents as expected. A best friend, unexpected. 3 brothers, unexpected. The list goes on. The point is, we're not alone. We've all been visited by that unwanted guest, that mysterious one, blooming in the darkness. So what do you do the next time you're pulled towards the realm of the dearly departed? Remember that spirit carries on. Spirit transforms. The spirit fills the void where form was once present. Fill that void with love. Bring your beautiful memories into that space. Transform that pain into the growth of a more loving, more compassionate life. That void is a place where the light gets in. That light is presence. Presence is all there is. You can find spirit in the present moment. Spirit will tell you when it's time to listen. I know you can find spirit will tell you. I have proof. It's happened to me many times. Listen to this. I was taking a walk on a sunny day. I walked under a dark, shady tree. It felt spooky, like something scary was about to happen. In the past, I would have ran from the tree. But on this day, a dark cloud was above me, and it began pouring rain. So I was forced to stay beneath the trees' dark, protective branches. As I sat there, something came to me. It was an image of a boy I once knew. He passed away over a year ago. I saw him. He was smiling. He was relaxing. He was enjoying the moment. He was okay. He was happy. He was present. He was present. The rain left just as quickly as it came. As I walked from under the shady tree into the light of the sky, I saw rainbows in the sky and reflecting upon the lake. I felt his presence everywhere. It made me smile. I knew he would have loved this moment. I knew he loved this moment. I knew Spirit is everywhere, and all that is at all times. Oh, fall Spirit, how you come knocking on my door, early in the morning, shining your loving star, reminding me to remember, reminding me to grieve, reminding me to be still a while and listen to Spirit, reminding me to be present. It's all happening right now. How beautiful is that? Oh, fall, thank you for all you invite in. Thank you for teaching me to be still, to be present, to be strong when facing the darkest moments, to believe in transformation. Dear Fall Spirit, thank you for being here. I am so glad you